come back? Did I just come back 360? Hold on. I don't know I had 360. I got 360s. You feel me? 360 came back to 360s. Hold on. We back. I'm 180. It's the 180 Wave family. You feel me? But I got some new content coming for y'all. You feel me? Like y'all been waiting. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all still here. So I'm gonna bless y'all with some good content. You feel me? I had to take a little break though. I had to get my real estate stuff. I had some stuff I had to handle with that. And there's some stuff still in the works with that, with where I'm going, my company and all that. But y'all already know I'm gonna be back with some fire content for y'all. I'm gonna have some fire content for y'all. And I'm 360. Hold on. Whoa, I thought you were 180. Whoa. I got 360s just in case y'all forgot who I was. You feel me? Like in case y'all forgot what I can do. You know what I'm saying? I have to let y'all know. So I'm gonna have a lot of different content coming for y'all. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe to the 180 Wave family, you feel me? Make sure you do all that, because you're not gonna wanna miss these videos I'm about to drop, bro. I'm gonna drop some fire, you feel me? Y'all been waiting, the wait is over, because I'm coming back heavy. 180 Wave family, we going crazy. I'm gonna have some good videos for y'all. Boom, you feel me? So make sure you like the video, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm back. I'm back. We're gonna do real estate. I'm chasing a bag. I ain't playing. Nobody gonna be touching me in a real estate game. I'm serious. They don't have to be touching me, bro. I'm going crazy. I want next, bro. I'm coming from next. I'm taking it personal. You got my commission, bro. Like, so I had to get my real estate stuff situated and everything like that. But I'm back. You feel me? I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Thank you for supporting me. I'm gonna have some more videos coming out for you soon. So you turn on post notifications. Turn on post notifications. Cause I'm gonna be going crazy. Dropping heat, dropping fire. Come on, bro. You already know, bro. I already know. Check my history. We about to come out with some bangers, some fire content. So I'm saying I had to focus on some stuff. But now we back on track. And boy, I still been putting in work though. I still been putting in work. Y'all already know. So we back. Let's go. Let's get it.